In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide a saved home in Zillow desktop. While Zillow doesn't offer a true hide feature for saved homes, you can achieve the same result by removing the property from your saved homes list. I'll walk you through exactly how to do that and share a few tips so it's quick and clear. First, open your web browser and go to Zillow.com. Make sure you're signed into your account. If you're not signed in, you won't see your saved items. Look for the Sign In option near the top right corner and log in with your usual credentials. Once you're signed in, you'll see your profile icon in that same top right area. Click your profile icon and choose Saved Homes from the drop-down menu. This takes you to a page that shows every property you've favorited. If you have a lot of saved homes, take a moment to scroll and find the one you want to remove. You can open the listing to double-check details or stay on the list view. Either works. Now look for the heart icon on that property. If filled heart means the home is currently saved. Click the heart once. When the heart switches from filled to unfilled, Zillow immediately removes that property from your saved homes list. That's all you need to do to hide it from your saved items. A few quick notes to make this smoother. If the listing doesn't disappear right away, refresh the page and it should update. This change is tied to your account, so it will sync across devices. If you later change your mind, you can resave the home by clicking the heart again, either on the property page or anywhere you see the listing on Zillow. Unsaving the home does not delete it from Zillow. It simply removes it from your personal saved homes area. Also, keep in mind that saved homes is different from saved searches. If you're still seeing the property in your search results, that's normal. Unsaving a home only takes it off your saved homes list. Zillow currently doesn't provide a way to hide a property from all search results on desktop without unsaving it. If your goal is to keep your saved list tidy and focused, removing the heart is the intended method. And that's it. Go to Zillow.com. Sign in, open Saved Homes, find the property, and click the filled heart to unsave it. Your list stays clean, organized, and only shows the homes you actually want to keep.